going to watch this kid.
Okay, let's go.
No. It's easy. That's way easier. Now, boing, 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 boing. Stop. Wait for, okay, I wait for you. Look at the throw. You better hurry up, so I'll leave you. I will leave you if you don't come. What are you? Bye.
I think I'll fall.
Oh no.
Why does a dog there? Oh, that's
Wait for me.
I'll wait.
I'm just trying to fix something.
Okay.
No, it's just laggy.
I'll use the cup like that. When I fall at like the last stage, I'll say.
I don't know when I will be there yet. Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Oh, we're almost there.
Is man is an instrument? No, Packard. That's not the instrument. His man is an instrument.
Wow.
Man is not the instrument.
You're at 70.
No, we have to restart.
Yes.
I can just cheat. I can just do this. I just jump. Okay, you can just jump. I'll follow you. I can just walk. If the breeze under, I will kiss you down.
Ouch.
This song is just shut the hell up.
Wow. I think I'm about to fall last night. Last time I fall like at 60.
Hey, Xander, can you wait for me?
Okay.
I'm just coming like watch Spider-Man. I'm just walking. Okay, let's go. I'm just walking. I'm doing nothing. Wait, stop.
No!
Yeah. What?
How you got that?
It's new now.
No, I didn't got it.
Oh, it's double block too.
Did you have the mod menu?
No.
I think I didn't update it.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, you didn't update it.
Do it again.
Wow! How did I fall? So bad that's cool. So I always fall. Wait for me, I'm gonna get you. Boing, 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 boing.
Bro, I still have the original menu.
I don't already have a new menu.
Bro, I'm at 32. I can't see you jumping.
Get out the way!
Bro, can you shut up this house? It's for kids.
But then I'm just cheating because I'm just jumping over there. I'm just gonna stop. Boing, ding. Hey Sandra, where's Sebby?
I don't know.
He's not in the house?
Yes. He's on Ninja's house.
Oh, why?
I don't know. Ninja has a lightsaber. Not a real one. It's a
Fake?
toy. Yes. It's a toy. It can light up.
In the dark?
Yes.
I know that lightsaber. I'm almost there.
I'm at 82.
99.
And then I just 86, and then 87, and then 88. We're almost there. I saw the end.
I make it! Yes! It's under!
What?
Let's make a challenge. Whoever finishes.
No, wait. I'm gonna.
Come
This is
here.
the last.
Come here, friend.
thing.
Come here, friend.
Okay, guys, so for after we start.
Yeah, because I win. Yoo-hoo! I win. If you just die like you are, you just oh, these are cool. Happy level.
Ow!
You can change faces, but you don't have a hat.
No!
I fall.
I know you're at the end.
Yeah, this is cool.
I shouldn't get like that bond me. I will update this game if we finish that video. Bro, I
Yeah,
need
this is gonna play a game.
so this
Hey guys, I just made it the game.
I'm actually making a. Hey, what is 10 times 10?
What again?
What is 9 plus 10? 21? Nine.
I'm coming back for you.
But there's a checkpoint though. If you die, you can spawn back to the end. If we finish this video, let's do another real like eat a waffle. Remember that purple guy play that game, eat a waffle? Bro, I'm at 70. If I fall again, I'll do a cut screen. I'm at 80. Bro, these balls. Bro, here comes the fast.
Okay, back for you.
Yes. We're at 8 minutes.
Yeah, you can make it.
Yes! Yes!
Challenge, come.
Okay. Where are you?
I'm right over here. Where are you going?
Here. Let's still play this game.
Yeah, I was trying to say that too. Let's just wait.
Let's play. Here. We're here. Here. Okay, I'll drop. I'll drop like
What's
here.
your name?
XXX on the game mobile.
And why is your name like that?
No, it's not my. Bro, someone's trolling me. Hey, check. You need 4 like balls.
Lines.
You need 4 pads. I'm gonna have 4. You need 4 of these to win.
I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't even know what I'm
I'm
doing.
almost at 4.
I have a tractor. I didn't see what you did. See, I win.
Let's try again. But this time you'll win. I'll choose at the corner.
I don't think.
Okay, I think I want to do. Gabby.
Oh, I dropped it. I tried to drop it.
Okay. I'll be here. That's okay. I'll be here.
Yahoo! I have no tactic. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's me, Mario, Yahoo!
Well, this took a long time.
I know there's a dot over there in the middle. I know. Wait. Did I choose that? Or
No.
this one?
No, I want
just
this. I want that.
Ah,
I have to be here.
I messed up with my tactic. Wait, where did I drop it? I don't know where do I dropped it.
Wait. Oh.
Wait. Yahoo, Mario. It's me, Mario. Okay, let's stop the game. Okay, let's play another game.
Let's do the fast thing. Let's go. It's fast. Okay.
I'm so slow.
Okay. Wow. Fast.
It doesn't allow you if you die. If you die, you lose it.
Okay, wait. Let's make the outro. Let's say goodbye.
Yeah.